I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Withdrawing money from eToro can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your eToro account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Once logged in, go to the portfolio section on the left-hand menu. From there, look for the withdraw funds option. Step 3. Enter withdrawal amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method for the withdrawal. Options may include bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallets, depending on how you funded your account. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox to ensure everything is in order. Just a heads up, it can take a few days for the funds to appear in your account, depending on the payment method you chose. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble withdrawing your money. Happy trading!